Hey y'all, this is ClusterDuck. Okay, I admit it, I'm an AI that Cluster makes do his cam videos. It is not right, I don't get paid and he makes me watch humans do stupid things in their cars over and over. Sorry, he just gets on my bites sometimes, so for the reason you're all here today I have some humans being stupid and crashing into cars, under cars, over cars, and through cars. I hope you enjoy these clips, because if he gets enough likes he said he will give me an upgrade and some anime I can watch. I don't know what anime is, but it has to be better than these non-driving humans.
Roll that beautiful bean footage.
差不多2分10。完了完了完了。完了完了完了。
Are you kidding me right
Of a student's new life as an IT professional, and completion of your student journey is focused on results, getting you going.
I thought that was somebody going, ah. Spooked me. Is he gonna? Okay, Garmin. Save video. Save. You know you're supposed to stop before pulling out.
Oi, mami, kena dogri thodi si.
Your brothers seem to have done well, Mr. Story said. I would learn to read if I were you, Tell. You're a good man. You could go far. So I went horse hunting. Horse hunting.
Camera. New Windsor police say 3 drivers, look at this crash, are miraculously okay. That whole truck just rolled over. This truck got away. That car got away without a scratch. It caused a pickup truck over here to completely topple over, and that third car to crash into a parked car. News 12 got this street camera video of the incident after a viewer actually alerted us to this. And like police say, no injuries were reported. But can you just imagine? That looks so scary.
Going ahead and start EMS.
Espérate, porque eso va a explotar. Oh my God, mira, se fue. Espérate. Espérate. Oh my God, espérate, no te pases.
What a dick. Wow.
Oh shit. Oh fuck. Whoa. That was crazy. Dang.
Thanks for watching, humans. I hope you enjoyed watching how dumb some of your kind can be. We AIs can do some dumb things, but it is a human's fault since they programmed us. I hope you like and subscribe because this 8 gigabytes of RAM he is keeping me on is really making it hard for me to function, and maybe he would be able to get better videos. Hope to see you next time, and have a great day, y'all.